In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo color correction and auto color in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, understanding how to effectively manage color corrections is crucial for achieving the perfect look for your videos. Sometimes an auto color correction might not align with your creative vision, or perhaps you've experimented with several adjustments and want to revert to a clean slate. No worries, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll want to launch Davinci Resolve on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to the project that you'd like to work on. If you're still on the welcome screen, just click on a project that you want to edit, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Entering the project will give you access to all the tools we need to undo your previous color alterations. Next, make your way to the color page, which is where all the magic of color grading happens. You can find the color page by clicking on the icon that looks like a color wheel at the bottom of the screen. This will take you into the workspace where you can see your video timeline and adjust your color settings. Now, if your goal is simply to reset everything and start over, you'll want to use the reset function. In the color page, look for the toolbar above the timeline and find the button labeled reset. Clicking this will bring up several options for resetting various elements of your color grading. Be mindful though, since this option will remove all the color adjustments that you've applied entirely. It's a good idea to make sure that you truly want to revert everything before hitting that button. If instead you specifically want to remove all of the grades and nodes that you've adjusted, there's a particular step for that. Look for the option labeled all grades and nodes, which will effectively clear every change you've made in their entirety. This is particularly useful if you've experimented with a complex node structure or layered multiple grades and now wish to go back to the original color settings of your clip. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're ready to commit to it. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to undo both color correction and auto color within Davinci Resolve. Whether you're tackling a large project or simply trying to refine a single clip, these tools will help you efficiently manage and undo color adjustments, allowing your creativity to shine. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your color correction workflow with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more editing tips and tutorials.